You can get paid right away. This website has payment methods that work all around the world. Payoneer, Paytm, and so many more. They literally advertise themselves as a website that pays everyone no matter where you come from. With today's method, you can literally copy and paste videos and you will be paid no matter where you are from. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into it. So as you can see, this is the actual website that pays you. They have a very low minimum payout, which means you don't have to wait until you reach hundreds of dollars to cash out. You can cash out as soon as you have $5 in your account, which will happen very quickly if you follow all the steps in this video. As soon as you complete watching this video, you will be able to make money. So if you follow each step with me, you will be ready to go out there and start producing money by the end of the video. These are the payment methods that they accept. I'm certain that these cover every single country: PayPal, Paytm, Payoneer, Bitcoin, UPI, and even bank transfer. So step 1, go to youtube.com. And do not worry, you will not upload any videos to YouTube. You do not need to sign up for YouTube. You don't even need to make an account. You simply go to youtube.com and you can look for videos in whatever niche that you like. Any type of content that you think of, whether it's fitness, technology, finance, gaming, business, or whatever niche you can think of. And when you think of a category, you want to find useful videos within that topic. So if you're interested in exercise, for example, you can look for different workout videos at home. Same thing goes for all the other niches. For the purpose of this video, I will use the technology niche as an example. So all I have to do is go to the search box and type in latest smartphone. I'll get all of these different videos that have millions of views. And let's look for a video with an appealing thumbnail. And all of these have massive amounts of views. Let's use this one for example. I click on it, and then I will copy the video's URL right here. So with the website that I will be sharing with you, every time someone clicks on the link, we will get paid. I will show you how in just a moment. And I strongly recommend that you take a niche that you are personally interested in. That way, this will be a lot more enjoyable for you. And that is it for step number 1. It was easy, right? Now step number 2. This is the second website we will be using today. Now, before we get into this website, make sure to watch the video until the end because all of these steps together are the key to this method's success. If you skip any one of the next steps, this will not work for you. The website's name is shortfly.com. That's SHRTFLY.com. This is a website where you can make money online by shortening URLs. When someone clicks on that URL, you will get paid. The reason why we are using this website is because it pays up to $21 for 1,000 clicks, and that's huge. So if you receive 1,000 clicks on your link, you can make up to $21. And the website that I will share with you in step 3 will show you exactly how to get those clicks and then complete the process for free. That means that you don't need any social media following, and you don't need to spend your time promoting your link, and you will not need to pay anything for this. So head on over to shortfly.com, read a little bit about it, how they operate and what their payment methods are, etc. Like I said in the start of this video, there are a variety of payment methods available including PayPal, Paytm, Payoneer, bank transfer, UPI, and Bitcoin. So you can choose whichever payment method you like and get paid that way. And if you go to their payment proofs, you will find out that all of these people who are receiving money every couple of minutes on this website, and as you can see, those payments are direct and most likely instant. All of these individuals from all around the world are generating money with this website, and they cash out as soon as they have $5. As you can see, all you need to do is download their app, which is accessible for both iOS and Android. So if you don't have a laptop or a computer, you may still generate money with your smartphone. I mean, you could be laying in your bed and still make money using today's method because step number 3 makes this all so much easier. Anyway, step 2 is to go to shortfly.com and simply make an account by clicking here. You enter a username, a valid email address, a password, and confirm it. You will also agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Just tick the box and click register. Here is what it will look like once you register a new account. A dashboard where you can track your clicks, revenues, and CPM. For the time being, it will clearly say $0 because it is a brand new account, of course. But if you complete all of the steps in this video, that will change very quickly. Here on the left side, you will be able to withdraw your money once you have $5 in your dashboard, which is very easy to make. Simply click the withdraw button, choose your payment method, and cash out immediately to spend on whatever you like. But for the time being, you should click on the new shortened URL right here, so just enter the YouTube URL and then click shorten. That will give you a shortened link that you can share with other people and you'll get paid every time someone clicks on it. And the reason you're making money from this is because Shortfly is actually paying you for those clicks. So whenever someone clicks your link, they will be redirected to a landing page with advertisements, which will show some advertising materials that they can skip. You'll make money after they see those ads, so Shortfly is essentially just splitting ad revenue with you, which is brilliant since people will click on the link, they are not required to purchase anything, they don't need to join for anything or sign up, and you will still make money out of this. So the second step is to sign up for shortfly.com. Step number 3, which is the secret recipe for this method. But wait, I'd like to remind you guys that we have more videos on our channel EarnPal. We've been getting a lot of support lately and we are so thankful for all the support that you've shown us. We put a lot of time and effort into researching these methods and making sure that they work properly. That's why we put so much effort into our videos, because we want to provide you with quality content on how to make money online. So we would really appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a like, and comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So what you want to do now is head to Google and type in your niche plus the word forum. In my case, I will type in smartphone forum. I will choose one of these forums and this is what we can see. Based on SimilarWeb, this one has over 3.5 million visitors every single month, which is outstanding for a website. This is a goldmine for traffic, and like you can see, a lot of people post about new and upcoming smartphones. And as you can notice here, you can just do what these people are doing. For example, this person right here is providing a solution to a question while he is posting a special link for the solution. So what you want to do now is either answer people with your shortened link, but make sure that it is relevant to the subject and don't make it seem like obvious spam. Or you can go ahead and create your own thread like this and ask people for their opinion. For example, I made a new thread and I'm saying, hey guys, I'm looking forward to this smartphone to come out. Do you guys have any thoughts about the quality and whether or not it is worth the price? Any feedback would be really appreciated. And then I just pasted my link. It doesn't sound like spam, it sounds like I'm genuinely asking a question and people will actually answer and check out the link to know which smartphone I'm talking about. You're not asking anyone for money, you're not promising people anything, you're basically just sharing and contributing to overall engagement of the community by either asking questions or providing significant value. Once again, make sure that your posts seem genuine. Do not rush it. This is something that will generate a decent amount of money for you on a daily basis. So take your time to make sure you sound honest. That will encourage people to click on your link. And remember, this is not a race, guys. You have the time to watch this video. That means you have the time to actually make a decent effort to make a post. More clicks equals more revenue, so make sure that your post sounds genuine. The more you do it, the more money you will make. You can make up to $21 for every 1,000 clicks. And like we've seen on SimilarWeb, there are more than 3.5 million people that we can reach with this method. And there are plenty of different forums out there for us to utilize. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like and comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video like always. Take care.